Have you ever packed for a vacation feeling excited, only to arrive and realize nothing you brought actually works together, or worse, makes you feel confident? The truth is, resort wear after 50 requires a completely different approach than it did at 30. But when you understand which pieces work in warm climates and how to style them with effortless elegance, packing becomes simple and vacation dressing becomes a joy. Because true relaxation starts with knowing you look beautiful without trying too hard. There's a particular anxiety that builds when women over 50 prepare for vacation. You stand before your closet, wondering what still fits, what's appropriate, what will photograph well, but still feel comfortable in the heat. The sundresses that once felt carefree now seem too revealing. The shorts you used to wear confidently feel exposing, and you start to wonder if maybe resort vacations belong to a younger, more confident version of yourself. But here's what actually changed. Your relationship with your body evolved. Your skin asks for different coverage. Your spirit desires elegance over exposure. And the resort wear that serves you now must honor both your desire to look beautiful and your very real need for comfort in the heat. This isn't about hiding or giving up. This is about discovering that the most elegant vacation style is often the most comfortable one. Today, I'm revealing how to build a chic, effortless resort wardrobe after 50. From choosing versatile pieces that work together seamlessly to understanding which fabrics keep you comfortable and elegant, and the styling secrets that take you from beach to dinner with confidence. This isn't about packing your entire closet or buying a whole new wardrobe. This is about understanding which pieces deliver maximum versatility with minimal effort, creating vacation style that feels like freedom. So if you've been stressed about what to pack or uncertain how to dress for resort destinations, this is your complete guide to elegant, comfortable vacation dressing. Let's discover your most confident resort wardrobe together. First essential, the elegant cover-up. Here's where resort dressing begins, with beautiful cover-ups that work as standalone pieces, not just pool accessories. After 50, you want cover-ups that double as dresses, tunics, or kaftans you can wear confidently from pool to lunch to exploring. Look for styles in lightweight linen, cotton, or silk blends that flow beautifully and breathe in the heat. A long linen shirt dress in white or natural becomes your most versatile piece over swimwear at the pool, belted over slim pants for lunch, or worn alone with sandals for casual evening strolls. A silk kaftan in a subtle print offers elegant coverage that feels special enough for resort dinners. The key is choosing cover-ups with enough substance and style that you never feel like you're wearing beachwear away from the beach. When your cover-up is beautiful enough to be an outfit, you've eliminated half your packing stress. You're not carrying multiple changes of clothes to the pool. You're simply wearing one elegant piece that transitions beautifully. Second essential, the midi dress collection. For resort wear after 50, midi dresses become your wardrobe workhorses. Not short sundresses that require constant awareness, but midi lengths that fall somewhere between knee and ankle, offering elegant coverage, graceful proportion, and effortless style. Choose 3 or 4 midi dresses in complementary colors and different fabrics. A cotton midi in a solid neutral for daytime exploring. A jersey midi that packs without wrinkling for easy dinners. A linen blend in a subtle print for variety. Perhaps a slightly dressier midi in silk or rayon for special evenings. The beauty of midi dresses in warm climates is they offer coverage without heat. They're one piece you can slip on with minimal thought. And they create that effortlessly chic vacation style that photographs beautifully. Pair them with simple sandals for day, swap to wedges for evening, add a sun hat, and you're perfectly dressed for any resort activity. When your vacation wardrobe centers on beautiful midi dresses, getting dressed becomes the easiest decision you make all day. Agcar. Third essential, lightweight linen bottoms. While dresses are wonderful, you also need versatile bottoms that work with multiple tops. After 50, choose lightweight linen pants or wide-leg trousers in neutral colors, white, cream, navy, or soft khaki. These offer comfortable coverage, create elegant proportion, and work across different resort settings. Linen pants with a simple cotton tee create casual daytime elegance. The same pants with a silk camisole and jewelry become dinner appropriate. White linen wide legs with a navy striped top suggest nautical sophistication. The key is choosing pants with enough rise to be comfortable and enough ease to breathe in warm weather. Avoid anything tight or constricting. Vacation is not the time for fitted trousers. You want flow, ease, fabric ease that moves when you move and keeps you cool in the heat. When your linen pants fit well and coordinate with everything you've packed, they become your go-to piece for any activity requiring more coverage than dresses offer. Fourth essential, the capsule top collection. Instead of packing random tops, bring a curated collection of 4 or 5 that work with all your bottoms and layer beautifully. A simple white cotton tee, your foundation piece. A striped cotton or linen top that adds interest. A silk or cotton camisole in a beautiful color for dressier moments. Perhaps a lightweight linen shirt that can be worn alone or as a layer. And maybe one pretty top in a subtle print or special fabric for variety. All should be in colors that coordinate with your neutral bottoms and with each other. This capsule approach means any top works with any bottom, multiplying your outfit options without overpacking. The white tee with linen pants. The striped top with white trousers. The camisole under the linen shirt with cream pants. Every combination works because you've built a cohesive color story. This is how elegant women pack lightly but never feel limited. They bring pieces that talk to each other, creating endless combinations from minimal pieces. Count. Fifth essential, one special evening piece. Even relaxed resort vacations usually include 1 or 2 nicer dinners. Instead of packing multiple dressy options, bring one beautiful piece that elevates everything. This might be a silk jacket in a jewel tone that transforms simple dresses, or a beautiful wide-leg jumpsuit in a luxe fabric that needs only jewelry, or an elegant wrap dress in silk that photographs beautifully. The key is choosing one statement piece that does all your dressy, heavy lifting. A navy silk jacket over a white midi dress creates instant evening elegance. A cream jumpsuit with gold jewelry offers sophisticated simplicity. A wrap dress in a beautiful print needs nothing but sandals and a clutch. When you have one truly special piece, you eliminate the anxiety of what to wear to nice dinners without overpacking formal clothes you'll rarely wear. This single piece should make you feel confident and beautiful, should pack without major wrinkling, and should work with shoes and accessories you're already bringing. Sixth essential, comfortable, elegant footwear. Resort footwear. After 50 requires balancing style with the reality that you'll be walking, often on uneven surfaces, in heat. Bring 3 pairs maximum. Comfortable walking sandals with slight support for daytime exploring, a dressier flat or low wedge sandal for dinners, and perhaps simple flip-flops or slides for pool and beach. The key is choosing sandals that look elegant while actually being comfortable. Leather sandals with a small wedge heel offer style with stability. Simple metallic flats create evening polish without height. Even elevated leather slides can work for casual dinners. Avoid anything too delicate, too high, or too complicated. Your feet need to carry you comfortably through long meals, cobblestone streets, and leisurely explorations. And emotionally, comfortable feet translate to confident enjoyment. You're not worried about blisters or balance. You're simply walking through your vacation, feeling elegant and at ease. Seventh essential, the swimwear confidence. Choosing swimwear after 50 is deeply personal, but here's what creates confidence. Proper coverage that makes you feel secure, quality fabric that holds its shape, and styling that flatters rather than reveals everything. Many women find one-piece suits with elegant details more comfortable than bikinis. Others love tankini styles that offer coverage with flexibility. Some prefer swim dresses that create beautiful silhouettes. The key is trying different styles until you find what makes you feel confident stepping out to the pool. Look for swimwear with tummy control if that matters to you. Choose necklines that flatter your décolletage. Consider sleeve options if you want arm coverage. And invest in quality good swimwear maintains its shape and color season after season. When you have swimwear you feel good in, vacation becomes infinitely more relaxing. You're not avoiding the pool or staying covered on the beach out of insecurity. You're simply enjoying the water, feeling appropriately dressed and completely confident. Chapter 8th essential, the color coordination strategy. Finally, here's the secret that makes resort packing effortless. Choose a color palette of 3 to 4 colors and only pack pieces in those tones. Perhaps white, navy, and touches of coral, or cream, khaki, and soft blue. When everything coordinates, any top works with any bottom, any dress works with any shoe, any scarf complements everything. This eliminates the "I have nothing to wear" moment, even with a minimal suitcase. Your white linen pants work with every top. Your navy dress works with every shoe. Your coral scarf adds interest to any neutral outfit. This coordination isn't about being matchy-matchy. It's about creating a cohesive wardrobe where every piece talks to every other piece. When you pack with color coordination in mind, you bring half as many clothes but have twice as many outfit options. And that freedom, that's what vacation dressing should feel like. Resort wear after 50 isn't about squeezing into styles designed for different bodies or hiding under shapeless cover-ups. It's about discovering that the most elegant vacation style comes from pieces that offer both beauty and comfort. Beautiful cover-ups that work as standalone outfits. Midi dresses that create effortless elegance. Lightweight linen pants that breathe in the heat. A curated collection of tops that work with everything. One special evening piece that elevates. Comfortable, elegant footwear that carries you confidently. Swimwear that makes you feel secure. And a color-coordinated strategy that ensures everything works together. When you pack this way, vacation dressing becomes a joy rather than a source of anxiety. Because this is what confident travel offers you. The freedom to explore, to relax, to photograph every moment knowing you look beautiful without effort. You're not worried about your clothes. You're simply living your vacation fully, dressed in elegant comfort that honors exactly who you are. If today's guide gave you confidence about resort dressing, if you finally understand how to pack light while looking elegant, then join this community of women discovering timeless travel style. We're not chasing trends or wearing uncomfortable clothes to look good on vacation. We're learning that true resort elegance comes from comfortable, versatile pieces that work together beautifully. Subscribe to continue this journey together, because you deserve vacations without wardrobe stress. You deserve to feel confident and comfortable simultaneously. And you deserve to discover that the most beautiful resort style is always the one that lets you fully enjoy every moment, dressed in elegant ease that feels like freedom itself.